morning. So now the time is 8 a.m. in the morning, and today is the 31st January, the last day of 2022, and I'm super excited for this day today. And yeah, Ellie, are you excited? Ellie. Ellie doesn't want to talk. So we are gathering firewood from here for the bonfire tonight. Yes, we are super excited. और रुमा दी भी बहुत खुश है. बोलो रुमा दी, आप खुश है कि नहीं है? So अभी शरद लेके जा रहा है लकड़ी. I'll also carry some firewood now.
John, पकड़ो. ये तू.
चलेगा इतना ज़्यादा लकड़ी? Going for shopping. So we have a small party tonight. So आज हम लोग shopping करने जा रहे हैं. We are going to do some.
टुकड़ा खाएगा आज. मांसो खाएगा मांसो.
मांसो खाएगा. तो हम लोग अब grocery shopping करने जा रहे हैं, and we will buy some chicken, some groceries. ये एक लेगा, ये एक ठो लेगा. लो इसको एक दे दो दादा. इसका कितने? Today I'm cooking our traditional food balls. So we need sesame for that. So I'm just heating this, and after that it will be grinded and we will mix it with food.
And what is it called?
It is
The dish?
Chambai.
Chambai.
Yeah. We eat with chicken, but we don't have local chicken now, so we'll just eat the rice balls alone.
Okay.
I'm cooking that. So this is the boiled rice, and now I'm going to mix some sesame in the rice. This is ginger. I'm going to mix this small pieces of boiled chicken in the rice. This is how it looks now. Chambai is on process. Now I'm going to mix this all together. Yeah, this is patta. टूट गया. ये चावल से नहीं बनता है क्या?
स्टिकी राइस होना चाहिए था ना.
या आंटी टेस्ट कीजिए. हाँ थोड़ा सा. This is chambai. The chambai is ready. So this is the sesame rice ball. But ये चावल से ये गोल नहीं हो रहा है. ये पूरा टूटते जा रहे. सब टूट गया. So let's eat this chambai. And actually with chambai we used to eat boiled chicken and the soup, but we don't have that today. So we just have some fried chicken and veggies together. This special chambai.
This is the special rice.
Uncle, this is for you.
Yeah.
Take.
I take this.
So Epil, this is for you.
Till rice, no?
Epil, this is for you and this is for me. Our wedding night, and now it's just 10 o'clock.
With a cup of warm water.
Yeah.
Lemon water.
Yes. And is it so boring? You find it so boring? No entertainments?
No entertainment. So boring.
Last year's New Year was awesome, right? Yeah. You have any message for the Green Heart Fellows from the 6th batch?
Of course, I miss you all. Hope you guys are having a good last day of the year, and hope your new year be the best one. And I really miss you guys. Happy New Year!
Bye bye.
Miss you all.
Miss
Bye-bye.
you all.
Bye bye.